With rustic charm and hints of country music inspiration, the Big Chief Leather Power Motion collection from Prime Resources International was inspired by Eric Church, one of country music's favorite entertainers. From his highway to home furniture collection, the Big Chief Leather Power Motion collection will greet you with all of the comfort and amenities you have desired. The leather application offers a rustic look, while the guitar string detail on the arms adds the taste of country without being overstated. Not only does this sofa look good, but really all the talent is in the functions. Featuring power recline with power adjustable headrests, drop-down table with cup holders, and charging station and concealed storage compartments. The Big Chief sofa is something worth coming home for. Complete your room by adding the power reclining console love seat and power recliner featuring the same amenities as the sofa. With the Big Chief Leather Power Motion collection, the only place your road will lead is home.